Today we're attending a first-time event on this channel, the Hartville Toy and Comic Show. It's supposed to be packed to the rim with vintage toy vendors and some of my favorite celebrities from the 80s, including wrestler Hacksaw Jim Duggan, boxer Buster Douglas, and for the main event, Bo, Luke, and Daisy Duke, along with their infamous cars from, of course, one of my favorite TV shows of the 80s, the Dukes of Hazzard. So let's get started. Look at this incredible Transformers Bumblebee over here. Let's see if we can get his attention. Bumblebee, what's up? All right, thank you. Check out this mashup of Catwoman choking Jason Voorhees with her whip, with Batman looking on. Very nice, thank you. There's Hacksaw Jim Duggan over there, the WWF patriotic wrestler who would come to the ring swinging a 2x4 around. And of course, boxer Buster Douglas, who shocked the world by knocking out Mike Tyson. And fun fact, born right here in Ohio. There's Christine Galey. She plays many characters from Disney Plus's Star Wars series, including R2-D2. We stepped outside to check out the toy show, starting with these Tonka diggers, some Jeeps. Remember pushing some dirt around with your friends? Those days are long gone. It's all iPads and iPhones now. I found some My Pet Monsters, including a rare My Football Pet Monster here, along with a few Boglins, Drool, and Plunk. These toy football helmets. They got the 49ers, the Broncos, Eagles, Redskins, Cowboys, Steelers, and the Raiders. Got these Mario and Yoshi plushies, along with some Sonic the Hedgehog and Pokemon characters, I think. Oh, check out this Empire Strikes Back figure. Bosk Bounty. Kind of a deep cut there, but if you know, you know. I begged my parents for this Darth Vader action figure holder. There's the original Nintendo, Super NES, a Nintendo 64, GameCube, and a Sega Genesis. This 3D printing table. They do custom Sonics and Marios, a Grogu, and that awesome Predator. And they told me they can customize any color or design you want. Just look them up. They're called 3 Dimension Customs on Facebook. All right, moving on. Let's go find the Dukes of Hazzard cars. Over here we got Daisy's 1980 CG7 Jeep with that iconic Golden Eagle emblem on the hood and matching gold rims. Dixie. And here's the Hazzard County Sheriff's car that Enos or Rosco P Coltrane would have drove. I'm not sure what kind of car this is. If you know what kind of car this is, leave it in the comments below. Let's go see if we can find the star of the show, the General Lee. Oh my God, there it is. A perfect General Lee. '69 Dodge Charger. With that iconic orange paint. The number 1 on the doors. And of course, the rebel flag on the roof. Now, the Dukes of Hazzard was made back in the 80s before they had computer technology. When they would jump the General Lee, they would actually have to jump it in real life in front of the camera. They actually destroyed 300 Dodge Chargers. On average, they said they destroyed 3 cars per episode. All right, those are the 3 cars from the show. Almost time for our photo op with Bo, Luke, and Daisy. So let's go see if they're here yet and take a look at what kind of crowd is waiting for them. Look at this crowd waiting on the Dukes. Oh, there's Catherine Bach right there, who plays Daisy. And here comes John Schneider, who plays Bo. Oh, I love it. Bo down there is giving Daisy a hug. There's Tom Wopat, who plays Luke. I wonder how often these guys see each other. It looks like they all still get along pretty good. Yeah!
Thank you all for coming. We couldn't be here without you. Thanks a lot.
Thank you!
All right, time to get in that big line for my photo op. Moving on. This guy said, forget an autographed picture. I bring in the General Lee door. Love it.